some of the best products out there. Their whole purpose being, pain relief, really. Pain relief, anti-stinkiness, all of those things that they do so well. This is like you showed up at the right time. If you are experiencing any type of pain in the spots that we're going to talk about, you are so lucky that you're here, because this is a chance to try LED and RED light therapy for not a gazillion dollars and not going to the doctor's office. To be able to try this at home and really reap the benefits of this type of therapy. Navy blue is the color that we have this in. And we have fewer than 500 left at this clearance price at $52 less. Remember, you get a 30-day love it or return it guarantee. So as you hear Denise explain, actually, I love holiday return. January 31st, 2023 return policy, months to use it. So as you listen to Denise explain how this is going to help you with your pain that you're experiencing, I want you to keep that in mind. Denise, tell us about it.
Well, it's LED technology and it's infrared. So infrared is not visible to the naked eye. So when you get this home and you look at it, you're going to say, well, only half of those lights are illuminated. There's 30 red, 30 infrared. You also know that this is not a heating pad. Yes, it's warm, it generates warmth, but the magic happens at the cellular level, because what happens is the infrared lights penetrate through the tissue, through the joint, through the body, where the source of that problem is. And it starts to increase your local blood circulation, which in turn is the way the body's natural healing process works. So this is for now the joints, because we've had infrared in the past where you had to hold it in place on a body part. Well, now this is on the go, because this will hold enough power for 3 treatments, 3 20-minute treatments or sessions. It can go on an elbow, an ankle, a knee. I've put this on shoulders before, or the back of my neck. So it's on the go with the treatment. You don't have to make the appointment with the chiropractor or the kinesiologist or the physical therapist, because this can go on that joint, giving you that deep infrared treatment at the source of your discomfort, the sprains, the strains, the muscle pulls, the areas that just give you that, tender. So yeah, doctors, physical therapists, chiropractors, kinesiologists, all this technology was around for about 20 years or more, maybe actually. So there's 2 hook and loop closures. You put the circle, the hole that's in the back of it, at the joint, at the calf of the knee, or the tip of the elbow, or the heel of the ankle. And then the 2 hook and loop closure straps, you just wrap around and put it to customize the person who's wearing it. But the fact that you can do those treatments while you're picking up the kids or going somewhere, getting the groceries, you don't have to sit tethered to a cord on the couch or on your chair waiting for that treatment to happen. This is on the go. And the infrared, again, that's technology that's been around for over 20 years. The same treatment that you get at the chiropractor, at the physical therapist, at the doctor. So when you can do yourself a little treatment at home, know that it's not a heating pad. It feels warm, yes, but it's not about the heat. It's about the infrared that penetrates deep through the tissue at the source of your discomfort.
There's the guts, there's the machine that's working, and this is where you're going to see, and you're going to have that light coming through. So this is LED, and so it relaxes the muscles and temporarily improves local blood circulation when you're using it where applied. It also is all Tommie Copper stuff, so you've got like the anti-odor and things like that. You can see it working right there. He turned it on, put it around the knee. So many people deal with knee pain, especially as we age. Maybe you're waiting to get that knee replacement. Maybe maybe you were an athlete, or you still are an athlete. So many people deal with that. And to be able to do on the go, wherever you are, you're at work, you are sitting at night watching the ball game or whatever it is, and you don't want to be tethered to anything, to be able to put this on and get the benefits of this therapy that is used in so many doctors' offices. And now you can do it at home on your own over and over and over and over again, and you only paid for it once on a clearance price right now at $112.48. I think it's brilliant, Denise.
I do too. I mean, it's flexible, it's comfortable, it's customizable, it's cordless, it's rechargeable. And if you don't want to do a 20-minute session, you don't have to do a 20-minute treatment. You can simply push the yellow button that's on the back. You push and hold, it turns itself off, or you push and hold, and it turns itself on. And remember, there are 60 lights back here. 30 are red, which are visible to the human eye. 30 are not. So please don't think that this is not working. You have the infrared that penetrates. The red warms your skin. It's not a heating pad, but it generates some soothing warmth. It's the infrared where the magic happens at the cellular level, going deep into those aches and pains, whether it's an everyday ache and pain, or it's a new injury ache and pain, or an old surgery ache and pain. This is on the go. It's on the joint. It's flexible. It's soft. It's not a hard piece of something you have to hold against the skin. It stays in place.
We have fewer than 480 now left to go around. You're getting this home for $52 less. Please use your major credit card and pay for it over the next 3 months. It's $37.49. To me, this falls in line with like the heating pads, the thermometer, the scale, like things you should just really have in the home. Perhaps you have somebody in the home right now who is going through major knee pain all the time, and you hear them complaining a lot. Maybe they're going to a doctor for it and that type of thing. Perhaps you buy it for that specific injury or that specific problem that somebody's going through. But you'll find that you'll use it for that time when all of a sudden your shoulder is having a problem and you're having some issues with getting the cardigan on because it's so stiff. You'll start using it for that. Or you step the wrong way, or your daughter does and kind of twists an ankle, or maybe she or he is in some type of sport and that happens to an elbow, or you'll start to use it all the time to be able to have this therapy on hand and not have to be forced to pay hundreds and hundreds of dollars more when you really need to go find it, because you were smart enough to pick it up right now on a clearance price, no reorder. Once it's gone, it's completely gone at $112.48. It's just a really great price, Denise.
I agree. And so many of us don't have the time to keep those appointments on schedule, always go for that treatment. You could do the treatment yourself. And if you know me, you might know that I have mentioned my husband, who is in need of double knee replacement for many, many, many years now. He's not scheduled it yet. So let me tell you, he lives with this on his knees almost on a daily basis because it soothes the problem that he has. Now, he doesn't want to have to take, the ibuprofen or the medication day after day after day, but this gives him the soothing relief that he needs until he can get that knee replacement done. So it's just nice that you could do it on the go. Again, he's an active guy. You don't have to be tethered. Go. Customizable, reusable, flexible. That's the key.
Last 475 of these left to go around. One size fits most on this. It's from Tommie Copper. It's a name that you know and trust, but really I'm all about this price to get one in every single house at $112.48. Denise, thank you for being here. Great to see you.
Thank you. Have a good one.